Hi, this is Neil Walters of neilsvideos.com and the Neil Walters YouTube channel. I'm here to make your world of cryptos easier to understand and to provide you some quick, little easy videos on how to use some of the most interesting items in this exploding industry. Today we're going to look at Metamask, which is an Ethereum and Ethereum token wallet that runs in your browser. To install Metamask on your machine, you can go to metamask.io. If you click their download link, I think it's a little confusing. You don't actually download it. It's just installed into your browser. So they detect what kind of browser you have here. I've only used it on my desktop, but I guess it would work on Android and iPhones as well. But here you click Install Metamask for Chrome, and then it basically takes you to the Google Chrome store. And from there, you're going to see some kind of a button here that says like install. And I've already had it installed on my computer, so I don't need to reinstall it. But you would click the install here, and then we'll continue from there. First of all, just a couple of things in your browser. Here I have the Chrome browser open. And if you type in Chrome://extensions, you can see that I have MetaMask installed here. And for instance, sometimes people disable things. So if you want to make sure it's not disabled, make sure that little toggle's turned on. Then after that, you look for it up here and you see, where is it, right? Well, there's a little thing right here, another little link called extensions. It looks like a little piece of a puzzle. And when you click on that, you see all the different extensions that you've got on this page, basically. Then you can pin those or not up here to your toolbar. So the symbol for MetaMask is this little fox here. It looks just like that. And now I'm going to click that and open that tool. And as with any wallet, the little fox, of course, will follow you around when you move your mouse. So whatever, isn't that cute? So you're going to come down here and put in your password, which I have to go do. Okay, so I pasted that in and I clicked the login button. And now they're giving you some new controls here, just some new features. That's nice. Now, let me just show you this just to make sure you're aware. I'm also a developer, and sometimes I play around on what's called the test networks. And so up here at the top, you have the main Ethereum network, and then you have these various other networks. And even Ganache is a version of Ethereum that you can run on your own local computer. So make sure you're connected here to the main Ethereum network if you're playing with real Ethereum and real transactions. Okay, now the next part is you can actually have multiple accounts under your one password. So when I logged on with my password, it actually connects me to all the accounts that are being managed by MetaMask under that same password. The way you see those is you click on this little colorful icon right here. It seems like they should have a tooltip or something there to tell you what it does. And then here you can see my accounts. So here you can see I have account 1, which is my original one. I'm taking a class where we're learning Ethereum programming, and so I created an account called Blockchain University, just so I would keep that separate from my real accounts. And you can see I have 0 Ethereum in these accounts right now. Actually, I have 3 or 4 accounts. Okay, so you can have as many of those as you need. You could call those wallets, basically. Each one is a private public key address stored on the blockchain. And of course here you can actually create more accounts, or you can import accounts. So you could have like a quote-unquote a savings account if you want to put money separate from your normal spending, or you could create a separate account just for Uniswap. So I'm going to say this is the one I want to use. And you see right here, since I have no Ethereum in it, I need to send myself some Ethereum. So to send myself that Ethereum, I need my address. So right here, I can just simply click on this and it says copy to clipboard. Or if you want, I'll mask some of this just for privacy. But here you can say account details. And you'll get a QR code in the middle, and then you'll get your address right here. And then you can copy it from here as well. So now I need to go to somewhere where I have some Ethereum. So probably what you'll do is transfer from another wallet. So what you see here on my screen is the Exodus wallet. And I have just a little bit of Ethereum left over here from something I was doing in the past. It's not a coin. It's a coin I believe in, but I'm not currently heavily invested in it. I'm doing more trading right now. And I have some great mentors that are teaching us how to make sometimes 20 to 200% per trade. If you want to know more about those, go check out the videos about my mentors. So what I want to do here is just click the send button. And for right now, I will send $50 worth of Ethereum. And then here I basically just paste that address that I got from the other site. So just to remind you how I got that address, I just come here and I click copy to clipboard, and I go back to Exodus Wallet and I paste it in right there. And I click send. And I've always advised this oftentimes. I like to check the first 2 or 3 digits, the last 2 or 3 digits, just to kind of be sure that you're not messing up. And by the way, if you do put a bad address here, like if I do this, see it says the address is not properly formatted. It does a reasonable amount of checking for you. So I click send. The nice thing again about using your own wallet is the transfer is going to happen it makes that sound when it sends it. The transfer is going to happen very quickly, and you don't have to wait on an exchange or something to process it, and most of the time you don't have to use your email verification and your little second factor authentication that you may use on your phone. All those things you'll have to do if you're using an exchange to transfer your Ethereum. And when you're on an exchange, they don't usually call it a send or a transfer, they call it a withdrawal, but you can actually withdraw to any address. So you can actually withdraw from an exchange and put it into your Metamask account. So now I will just close this. Okay, and it looks like Ethereum is actually running fast today. I didn't have to wait just a few seconds for that to happen. So I basically funded or transferred some Ethereum from my main wallet, Exodus, over here to my Metamask account. Then I'll be able to use this on websites that support Metamask. One more thing you might want to think of is if you have multiple accounts, don't panic. Like if you see no money here. So for example, if I click on this and I go to account 2, it's going to say, oh no, I don't have any Ethereum. Where did all my $50 go, right? Well, just stop and ask yourself, okay, do I have more than one account, and am I looking at the right account? So all I have to do is go back here, click that button again, and go back to account 1, and you can see your funds that are available there. Also here you can see, like, just kind of in light letters, any funds you have. Now once you've logged on, you basically stay logged on probably as long as you have your browser open. So what I would suggest is you come over here and basically disconnect after a while or log off. So right here you have a lock button. So you click that, which is basically the same as logging off, because now you have to enter your password again. So if other people in your family use the same computer and you don't have your own user ID where you log on and log off each time, you want to make really sure that you log off your MetaMask, because basically then anybody in your household or any guest in your home or whatever would have access to your MetaMask, and they could actually transfer funds in and out. So anyway, say goodbye to the little foxy guy here, and hopefully that teaches you a little bit how to use MetaMask. And then I'm going to be doing my first purchase on Uniswap in an upcoming video, so I encourage you to watch that one as well. And it requires MetaMask. That's one of the easiest ways to use it, so that's why I decided to do this video first. Things are going great with To Know It with Marius Lamon in Australia, giving us our weekly webinars on the future trends of Bitcoin, what it's going to do for the upcoming months. And we have our Master Trader class going on. We have our HODL Knots for people who want to scalp trade. A lot of good classes and mentorships going on. So check out the other videos on my YouTube or the link below this video.